Hello everyone, Ahmed Diab here from 6 Center Intelligence, coming to you from ProMat. Imagine if you can connect, analyze, and visualize your data effortlessly. Well, with 6 software analytics solution, you can. Let's solve it with SICK. Our software makes it easy to add assets and sensor data using some traditional Modbuses, or we can use some known protocols such as OPC UA, MQTT, and more. Don't forget that it's vendor agnostic, so we can connect to any SICK device or third-party devices on your dashboard.
Once we are inside the software solution, we are going to navigate to Asset List. Once we have navigated to Asset List, simply click the Add button. Add your asset type, name of your choice, and our gateway information. Save. And you will receive a healthy status. To use connectivity protocols, such as the OPC UA and MQTT, we can navigate to Data Source, Protocol Connection, add the plus sign, Communication Protocol dropdown, and you will see the list of communication protocols that are supported.
We have the ability to store data easily, and we can see images as well in the historian. That way you can use it for long-term analysis.
After you save the data source configuration, we can navigate to Historian, right under Asset List, and you should see this page right here. What we're going to do is add our data source name, then we will add the field name or the stored key that we have desired. Then you hit search, and here we have the data for the stored key.
Now for virtualization. You can use one of our pre-built dashboards or create your fully customized dashboard all on your own using widgets such as graphing, heat maps, live stream your video, and many more.
What you see in front of you is a pre-built dashboard for the asset that we have created, Multiphysics Box. How to access this page is simply click on Asset Tree View on top of Asset List, and you can navigate through your different dashboards. To fully create your customizable dashboard, you can navigate to Dashboards, add a dashboard, and here we're going to create our playground to add widgets. Once you save, it's going to give you a space to create widgets. We're going to unlock widgets, add a widget, and here you have accessible to you different widgets to use to build your own dashboard.
Utilizing 6 Analytics solution, you are able to create user groups and permissions. That way, if there's a maintenance team on the floor, they are able to take action when they are alerted. Thank you.